Welcome to my channel. Here we talk anything about relationships, personality and anything that can help you live your life. Please do subscribe to this channel. In today's video, I will tell you how to make a woman comfortable with her naked body while having sex. Now there's one thing you have to note, any man who understands women will get and attract any woman he wants. Let's go into the topic of the day. Now for a woman to be comfortable with her naked body, that body needs to be appreciated. Women like their bodies being appreciated. When a woman's body is not appreciated during sex, she becomes insecure and uncomfortable, and her insecurity can make her uptight and not free during sex because she feels her body is not appreciated, which is not good for sexing. The woman wants and likes to have sex with a guy who truly appreciate her body verbally, like I love your nipples, I love touching them, I love your smell, I love your shape. All those can make a woman feel more comfortable with her naked body during sex, which also helps both parties to enjoy the sex because the woman will be free and give her all. Please put down what you would like me to talk about and put down your opinions in the comment section. Please hit the subscribe button. It actually will not cost you anything but helps me to put out more videos for you.